Dear children, today let's study assertive to interrogative in transformation. I mean to say, you have to study how to transform assertive sentence into an interrogative sentence. First of all, you should know assertive means affirmative and negative both, or you can say affirmative or negative, and interrogative means interrogative and interrogative negative, or you can say interrogative or interrogative negative. Both types of sentences are interrogative, and both type of sentences, affirmative and negative, is an assertive sentence. Now we have to change assertive sentence into an interrogative sentence, and how to transform affirmative sentence is changed into an interrogative negative sentence, and negative sentence is changed into interrogative negative sentence. For example, he reads a novel. This sentence is affirmative. He reads a novel. This sentence should be changed into an interrogative negative sentence. You know, this is affirmative sentence, and this sentence is in present indefinite tense. You have to change into interrogative negative sentence of present indefinite tense. For example, change this sentence into an interrogative. It will be does he not read a novel? And in the last you have to write question mark. So this sentence is in present indefinite tense. Therefore, that if the sentence is in a past indefinite tense, for example, I bought a car. This is also affirmative sentence, and it is in past indefinite tense. Then you know, in past indefinite tense we use helping verb did. So this will be changed into did I buy a car. So affirmative sentence, thus affirmative sentence is changed into interrogative negative sentence like this. And if you have any sentence in which you find helping verb, the sentence becomes some easy. For example, look at the board. You have he will go to the city. Thus you can change helping verb. Here Madagiri will come out. Will he not go to the city? Thus you can change an affirmative sentence into interrogative negative sentence like 1, 2 and 3. So you read affirmative is changed into interrogative negative. Let's now study a negative sentence. How a negative sentence is changed into interrogative. For example, she does not help me. This sentence is in negative. You have to take the helping verb out. For example, does, she and not will be removed. I told you negative change into interrogative, means not is removed. So does he help me in the last question mark. One example, take other example. Rita did not eat non-veg. Let's change. Did is helping verb. Take it out. Did Rita not eat? Sorry. Did Rita eat? Did Rita eat non-veg? Thus, negative sentence is changed into interrogative. Sometimes you will find never. You will find never. This never is changed into ever. Never is changed into ever. माने never को ever में बदल दिया जाता है. For example, she never goes to temple. This sentence is in negative, and negative is changed into interrogative. Therefore, does she never is changed into ever go to temple? And question mark. For one more example, he is never a bad boy. Take helping verb out. Is he never is changed into ever a bad boy. A bad boy. Thus, you can change a negative sentence in interrogative negative. मतलब आप negative sentence को interrogative negative में अगर बदल देंगे तो उसे interrogative माना जाएगा. तो ये रहा आपका negative sentence. अब इसके बाद अगर आपको अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में एवरीबॉडी, एवरीवन या वन मिल जाता है तो इंट्रोगेटिव आप जानते हैं अफर्मेटिव बनेगा. इस अफर्मेटिव को इंट्रोगेटिव बनाने के लिए सहायक क्रिया को बाहर कर देंगे और इसको वही लिख देंगे. जैसे एवरीबॉडी loves his nation. This sentence is in passive voice. So does active voice, present indefinite tense. So does everybody love, not love his nation. Means this affirmative sentence, ये affirmative sentence किससे बदल गया? इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव में. इस तरह से नेगेटिव बन जाएगा. मान लें कि एवरीवन लिखा है everyone helped the flood victims. इसको चलिए चेंज करते हैं. Did everyone not help the flood victims? Thus you can change an affirmative sentence into interrogative negative sentence by writing helping verb in the first. इसके बाद अगर आपको मिल जाता है nobody, no one, none, no one, none, no one, nobody, तो अच्छा तो ये है कि इसके जगह पर आप केवल हु लिख दीजिए, बस मामला आपका फिट हो जाएगा, अर्थात वो इंट्रोगेटिव में बन जाएगा, क्योंकि नेगेटिव बनेगा इससे, और नेगेटिव नियमानुसार इंट्रोगेटिव में चेंज किया जाता है, इसलिए इंट्रोगेटिव में चेंज होगा. इसे नो वन फेल्ट गुड दैट डे. उस दिन किसी ने अच्छा महसूस नहीं किया, तो क्या करना है, ये नो वन हटा देंगे और नो वन की जगह पर हु लिख देंगे. हु फेल्ट गुड दैट डे, और क्वेश्चन मार्क लास्ट में लगा देंगे. इन द सेम वे सपोज यू हैव none is ready to touch the patient. आप क्या करेंगे, नन की जगह पर हु लिख देंगे. हु इज रेडी टू टच द पेशेंट. तो इस तरह से आप नो वन नोबडी नन होगा तो उसके जगह पर हु लिख देंगे और वो स्वतः ही इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव में बदल जाता है. इसके बाद हम आपको एक एक्सरसाइज भेज रहे हैं, आप उसको हल कीजिए और हमको दिखाइए कि आप लोगों को कितना समझ पाए हैं और कर पा रहे हैं नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. यदि आपको कोई समस्या होती है तो हमारे व्हाट्सएप पर या व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर आप फ़ोन करके बात कीजिए, हम आपको जवाब देंगे. जो नहीं समझ में आएगा वो फिर से बताएंगे. धन्यवाद.